Welcome to the Best Western Hibiscus Motel, located at 1313 Simonton Street in Key West, Florida. It's located just a few blocks from Duval Street and close to all the action, but still tucked away enough to give you that peaceful Key West vibe. The property has that classic island feel, palm trees, pastel colors, and a big tropical style pool that's perfect for cooling off after a day of exploring. In this video, we'll give you a full look at the rooms, the amenities, and what it's like to stay here. So if you're planning a trip to Key West, this might help you decide if the Best Western Hibiscus is the right spot for you. Let's check in and take a look around. We booked a king suite, and it's on the second floor. As soon as we walked in, the first thing we noticed was just how spacious it is. This room is huge. There's plenty of room to spread out with a nice sitting area, a TV in the living area, and lots of space to unpack and relax. There's a dining area with a table and 4 chairs. It definitely feels more like a mini apartment than a typical hotel room, which is perfect for a few days here in Key West. Just off the dining area, there's a great little setup with a microwave, mini fridge, coffee maker, and lots of counter space. Honestly, enough room to host a buffet-style dinner if you wanted to. And yes, I definitely made sure to put that area to good use during our stay. They did provide a hairdryer. However, if you are used to a better hairdryer, you might want to bring your own. This one was nothing to write home about. The bathroom was really clean and spacious, which we always appreciate. There's plenty of room to move around, and the water pressure was great. Walking into the bedroom, the first thing you'll notice is just how big the room is. There's plenty of space to move around, which is something I always appreciate when traveling. Inside the bedroom, there's a closet area that's really well stocked. It includes a safe, ironing board and iron, a luggage stand, wood clothes hangers, and extra bedding. Everything you need for a comfortable stay. On each side of the bed, you'll find electrical outlets, which are great for charging your phone overnight. But if you've got multiple devices like we usually have, you might want to bring a small power strip or extra outlet. There's also a TV and 2 windows that let in some nice natural light, although the view is a bit obstructed. Still, the room feels bright, spacious, and comfortable. A great place to unwind after a day of exploring Key West. Breakfast is included with your stay here and is served daily from 6 until 10 a.m. It's your classic Best Western breakfast with a good variety of options: waffles, eggs, bacon or sausage, fresh fruit, pastries, and more. There's a nice seating area to enjoy your meal, but I didn't record it out of respect for the other guests who are having breakfast. While this property doesn't have a gym, honestly, walking all over Key West is more than enough exercise. You'll get your steps in for sure. Between that and this beautiful pool area, I'd say that that's all the workout you'll need while on vacation. The pool area here is really beautiful. There are plenty of lounge chairs and tables, so you can easily find a spot to relax, whether you're soaking up the sun or just hanging out by the water. The pool itself is huge, one of the biggest I've seen at a property like this. And what's really nice is that it feels tucked away from the public. It's completely surrounded by the hotel rooms, giving it that private, peaceful vibe that's perfect for unwinding after a day in Key West. There's also a restroom conveniently located near the lobby entrance, so you don't have to head all the way back up to your room when you're enjoying the pool. This is the perfect spot to relax, cool off, and enjoy a little quiet time in paradise. Stump and I made a lot of use of this pool while we were there. And another big bonus, the famous Southernmost Point Buoy is just a 5-minute walk from the hotel, so you can easily head over early in the morning to beat the crowds or stop by for that classic Key West photo op without worrying about parking. Between the location, the pool, and all the amenities, the best Western Hibiscus is a great place to stay while exploring Key West. Overall, we had a really comfortable experience. The room was spacious, the pool area was beautiful, and you just can't beat the location. Being within walking distance of the Southernmost Point, Duval Street, and so many great restaurants really makes this a perfect base for exploring the island. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We're diving into Key West's best sights, eats, and local favorites next. And if you'd like to help support our travels, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep exploring.